Before you measure anything, you need to know whether your calipers can physically close correctly. This video covers the first and most basic calibration check. Do the jaws actually meet? We're going to test that using nothing more than light and your eyes. In this demonstration, I'm using three different sets of calipers. An SPI caliper, which represents a budget or entry-level tool. A Starrett caliper, which is a mid-grade professional instrument commonly found in shops and inspection rooms, and a Mitutoyo caliper, which represents the premium tier in caliper manufacturing. And if you only have one set of calipers, this process still applies exactly the same. Start with clean calipers. Close the jaws around a folded piece of clean white printer paper, and then pull the paper out of the jaws. No oil, no chips, no dust. Even a small burr or piece of debris can fake a failure or hide a real one. Close the jaws gently. Do not squeeze. Use the same light pressure you would use when taking a real measurement. Use a flashlight or candle in a dark room and put enough distance between the calipers and the light source to cover the light completely. This is the jaw relief. The gap here is part of the design. This is not part of the design. The jaws are not making even contact. Light is getting through. My Starrett calipers also have a gap in the jaws. Starrett is a good brand, and I might have damaged them, but the light coming through the jaws indicate a defective instrument. The brand new Mitutoyo calipers show no light between the jaws. These calipers can be truly relied upon to 1/1000th of an inch, or 0.001 of an inch. The premium calipers passed, mid and budget models failed the light test. Metrology is about knowing limits, not declaring tools. Junk. What can the SPI and Starrett calipers still be used for? I will still use my SPI and Starrett calipers for outside measurements above approximately 0.250 inches, 6 millimeters, especially comparative work. Layout and fabrication, plus or minus 0.005 inches class. Trend checks is part A bigger than part B. I won't use my SPI and Starrett calipers for inside measurements. Jaw tips amplify error. Thin parts / small diameters. Inspection work where traceability matters. This jaw light test is a quick screening test, not a full calibration. It tells you something important about jaw flatness and alignment, especially for inside measurements. In my case, the premium calipers passed, the mid-grade and budget calipers did not. That does not mean the others are useless. It means I now know what jobs they are suitable for. This is exactly why professional metrology uses multiple tools, cross-checks, and reference standards. If you have calipers, do the same jaw light test and put your results in the comments. I'm especially interested in three things. First, the brand of calipers you tested, budget, mid-grade, or premium. Second, roughly how old they are. New out of the box is very different from 10 or 20 years in service. Third, how they were used. Light home shop use is not the same as daily production floor work. In the next video, we will do caliper performance testing per ASMEB 89.1.14, inside, outside, depth, and step.